some slight work. We ain't gonna do a lot of work.
Man, too much work, man.
Hey, what's up? Yeah. I be running through them red lights, I don't stop at night. I got demons and they out for me, they coming for my life. I don't stop at night. It's Marley Miss. What's up? I be running through them red lights, I don't stop at night. I got demons and they out for me.
YouTube, what it do? It's your boy PABLOSAVAGE 392, and I'm back with one of them things that go on top of your noggin. It's Carter inside. You know what I'm saying? Hey man, we out here in these sunny Florida streets, living our best life, doing our best thing. You know what I'm saying? Vibing, catching waves. You know what I'm saying? Today I got one different for y'all. You know what I'm saying? If y'all remember, or if you checked it out, I know you watch Customize Any Ride podcast. You see me on there. That was my first podcast. And today, I'm meeting up with a local podcaster or vlogger slash interviewer type deal. You know what I'm saying? I'm actually late. I'm late. You know what I'm saying? I was trying to get some stuff done. I didn't even get to wash the car. He wants to take pictures of the car and stuff, so I'm gonna tell him to meet me at a car wash, and then we could do everything right there. Wash the car, vibe a little bit. We could do his interview or whatever. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be a vibe, because this is somebody I grew up with when we was knee high. You know what I'm saying? Well, we all grew up on the east side of Jacksonville. If you know about the east side of Jacksonville in the early 2000s, in the early 2000s, mid 2000s, late 2000s, east side was that side of town that niggas was scared to come on. I'm sorry for using that type of language, but you niggas know y'all would never play with the east side like that, and that's on game. So we from 630, man. We ain't like Vine. I'm not from 63rd, we is from 63rd, man. You know what I'm saying? But we ain't gonna talk about that. We gonna skip that right there. I'm about to go link up with that boy. Hopefully, I'm starting to enjoy this interview thing, you know what I'm saying? It's kind of lit, you know, you pull up, chop it up with some folk, you know what I'm saying? They got their little questions, learn about you, and me being a social person that I am, I'm gonna ask you some questions like, what's up with you, you know what I'm saying? Let me know, because I'm a vlogger, I'm a car content creator, you know what I'm saying? I hope y'all watched that last banger that I dropped. I just added that mod to the car, you know what I'm saying? It looked good. I gotta show y'all, if you watch the whole video, you'll see how I look at nighttime. And then I got something else coming to the car too. So I'm putting this thing together slowly but surely. You know what I'm saying? Trying to run it up. But if you don't know, please do this for me right now. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you get all these drops when these drops come. And you know they noggin rockers. That's how we dropping these days. Noggin rockers. Not bangers, but noggin rockers. That's what we call them. If you talking to somebody right now, and the information you giving them is high quality, what you tell them? Man, I just hit you across your noggin with something very important. Talk to me, baby. Noggin rockers. All right. So after I do this interview, I'm going to go pick up some merch, because I got to start wearing my own drip. If I don't wear my drip, how you going to know to wear the drip? Hey, PABLOSAVAGE.com. Hit up the website, grab you some merch, it's the link in the description. You can just type in PABLOSAVAGE.com. Grab you a piece of merch, man. Support the channel. It's gonna help the channel immensely, help me grow a little bit, man. I could probably produce better quality videos if y'all help me get this merch and stuff. So, you know what I'm saying? I will be dropping an exclusive piece. It's gonna be limited amount, but it's gonna be an exclusive piece, and when I drop that, I want y'all to come back and grab that one too. But for right now, I just need y'all support. Let's run it up real quick. You know what I'm saying? I'm on my way though. So I'm gonna hit y'all up when I get to the car wash and I get in contact with I gotta get his name. I know his name. I gotta get the name of his podcast vlog. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna hit y'all when I get there. Yes, sir. Pulled up to the wash, you know what I'm saying? I gotta get that thing clean. Y'all know we can't. Shit, I'm way on the west side. My car wash on the south side. I just came to get this thing. Just waiting for, like I said, the interview supposed to happen. Gang, so check this out, we done. Oh, hold on, I left my blink on. Y'all see that thing glowing right there? I gotta get that out of there. I gotta go to the dealership, get a headlight too, but we shining. I usually go to my own car wash. I came over here, check this Gate Express car wash. It's on the west side of Jacksonville off Collins Road, right off the highway, you know what I'm saying? But shout out to Johnny's Car Wash, because they do give you more options over there. You know, we get the detailing spray, we get the interior cleaner, the Windex, all that. Over here, nigga, them $15 hit hard, boy. So I ain't gonna even cap with y'all, but the homie done pulled up, man. I'm gonna let him introduce himself, man. Make sure y'all go to his channel, like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you get all those drops when he drop. He's an up-and-coming YouTuber from Jacksonville, just like me, so we grinding out here. I want y'all to go support him. Tell him Pablo sent y'all. Just say, Pablo told us to come support you, and we family, so we rocking out together. Tell him who you is, brother.
What's up, y'all, man? It's your boy ZHIYUN, host of the Car Conversations. It's a YouTube channel on YouTube, obviously. Just, you know, real conversations, dope people. We just hip. I wouldn't call it a podcast, but, you know, it's a YouTube show.
I've been calling it a podcast. I ain't gonna count, like, he got a podcast. So the name of it is ZHIYUN Car Conversation?
It's just Car Conversation.
Oh, Car Conversation.
Yeah, hashtag Car Conversation. You type that in, it's gonna come up.
Okay,
We're 20 episodes deep in it, so, you know, we still putting together content every day, every week. So.
Okay. How long you been grinding on this?
Probably about, really, I started it about maybe 2-3 years ago, but really getting consistent on it during the pandemic last year.
Okay,
so, you know, trying to do something every week, at least every other one. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's respect, though. You know what I'm saying? I'm glad to be here with you and shit. You know what I'm saying? I telling them how we grew up from the knee high over there off Main Street on the east side, when the east side was really the east side. You know what I'm saying? So I like, hey, 630 Main. That's where we played at. You know what I'm saying? That's what's raised us. That's what's embedded in us. So they understand that, man. But yeah, man. So type in it's ZHIYUN. So I would do it like that. I would go ZHIYUN Car Conversations. That way you can get his exact description. So make sure y'all check him out, hit him up. Like I say, go ring that bell a little bit, man. Hey, now in order for y'all to see this car conversation, you will have to go to his channel. Y'all know I vlog my days, but you gotta go to his channel to watch the car conversation. I'm gonna share it on my my community page, so y'all can see it there, and it'll stay in cycle. And then we're gonna put it on Facebook, and I'm gonna show him some Instagram love, so we're gonna get that thing cracking. But ZHIYUN Car Conversations. And after this, I got another banger coming for y'all. I shoot all day. I got one coming, and it's gonna be pressure. Shout out to Jack's Jeep Mob, and that's all I'm gonna say. I'm gonna get back at y'all.
Few moments later.
Gang, I'm done with the podcast, man. We had a good time, great conversation, man. Make sure y'all go hit them up. ZHIYUN Car Conversations on YouTube. You got any other social media, bro?
Shit, Instagram is godly, godly or underscore aura. You know what I'm saying? Twitter, godly aura. I can send it to you. So
okay, because that nigga, I don't know what he just said, but
godly aura, man. Godly aura.
But we got that thing cracking, and we just had a great time, great conversation. And my guy is a smooth brother, you know what I'm saying? I appreciate him for inviting me to his podcast and his car conversation, you know what I'm saying? So now it's my time. Y'all know me, man, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if he ever felt what Big Daytona could do, you know what I'm saying? You ever been in something like this?
Nah, bro.
No? Oh.
Ain't nobody ever started out with me, you know what I'm saying? I'm scared.
I ain't gonna say too much, but we gonna go ahead and hop in this thing. I'm gonna give him a ride. I'm gonna let my dog see what Big Daytona could do, you know what I'm saying? Give him some vibes, you know what I'm saying? And then after that, I'm gonna let y'all get his reaction. You know, that's what we're gonna do with that one right there. But y'all see that thing glowing like how she be glowing, you know what I'm saying? Doing her thing, you know, Big 392, Big Daytona, go mango thing, go crazy, go mango thing, go crazy. Man, let me show y'all what I did today. I know y'all, if y'all watched my last video, I know you've seen it, but I love the way it looked, bro. It's so hard body. You know what I'm saying? Hold on, let me hit that. Ooh, them tail lights look good. Y'all see it? Look, I had to, if you watch my how-to video, you see me lay that thing on there perfectly. It's glowing, baby. It's got the juice. Yes, sir, man. Hey, but yeah, man, you ready? I'm gonna hit you with that. I'm gonna hit you with a cold start. Let's lock that. Then we. That's she sounded good. She sounded good. Oh man. Come on, hop in, brother.
Love him. I love him. And I don't care what you think.
Dan Hicken.
I love him for the man he wants to be, and I love him for the man that he almost is.
Cut that cover right off.
We with the gang.
Oh, all right, man.
We with the gang.
Hey, we both in this thing vlogging for y'all, man. Make sure y'all hit them up. ZHIYUN Car Conversations, man. No cap.
And I'm gonna send this to you for your vlogs for different angles. When you was vlogging, I was recording, so you know what I'm saying, what you was talking about.
I got you.
I got you. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Get you some different little angles or whatever.
Y'all see that, but though, here we go, man. We rolling out now. Let's see. We're gonna do some slight work. We ain't gonna do a lot of work.
Man, too much work, man.
We gonna do some slight work. We ain't gonna do no too much work. You know what I'm saying? Get that thing going real quick.
Ooh. Yes, sir.
Hold on, I gotta plug my phone in so we can turn on waves real quick.
So make sure them Argyle policemen ain't out here.
You know it.
It's post-car conversation shit right here.
Oh, hold on, that boy on the cord.
We skirting out in the big boy, the big Daytona. 392. Big Pablo.
Which way would you say it go?
If I had to say, it would probably be this way, but I don't think they, you know what I'm saying?
Well, this coming back look clear, so we can view it down now.
For sure.
Okay.
Well, you feel the power. You feel the power in that.
This junk here, I love this thing though, man. It's another one. We go one more.
Yeah, you can go one more.
Okay.
Just a little bit down now. Probably like maybe a half mile, not even a mile.
Uh-oh. Look at him sliding, wanting to play. Hey, they be pulling up on this thing. They gon' you ain't getting no smoke out of here, nigga.
Boy, you can feel the power when you take off in that thing, though. That's dope as hell. And then there's a light. I think it's a light further down here that you can turn that. You probably
Turn right here.
Yeah.
It's a lot of people. It's a lot of traffic, y'all.
Yeah,
but hold tight. We gonna get you right. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna use that thing right here.
I already know what the fuck about to happen.
I ain't finna slide right here, boy. Hey, he done felt that thing get sideways one time. He ready again.
Boy, I about died. I'm like, this bitch the fishtail.
She straightened up a bit though.
Yeah, you got that thing right.
Let's see. Let these two go. I go a wide body coming right now. Wait, a Hellcat? He right there. Oh, yeah, it's a cat daddy. Yes, I see you, big brother. We turn that thing right there. And we get in there. Ooh, y'all see that? That bitch got off! Hey! That bitch got off!
Oh my God, that boy is really. Boy, how you don't be getting tickets in this
I do.
shit? Oh, I'm about to say. Boy, I know you be getting tickets in this shit, boy. Pablo Savage 39.
You see it, gang.
Y'all got to go follow my man page, man. This car shows, man. Man, this is dope content. It's dope content.
We get busy a little bit,
Definitely.
man. But yeah, man, it's boy Pablo Savage 392, man. Make sure you come through the page, check me out, hit that bell notification, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and do the same thing. So after you watch this video, come over to me, watch one of my videos, then bounce back to ZHIYUN, watch another one. You know what I'm saying? We try to run it up all 2021.
All 2021
man.
into 2022. Fuck.
Facts. I appreciate that, man, having me on the channel, man. I respect, brother.
It's respect, bro. And one YouTuber to the next, one content creator to the next, bro.
Facts. But y'all check them out. Y'all see gang? Yeah, y'all. Savage gang go.
Yo.
Hey. But yeah, man, I appreciate that, brother,
I
man.
appreciate you, man. It's so fucking dope. This fucking, bro.
My bad.
Oh, this nigga.
My bad.
Hey.
Hey, man, I just want to say thank y'all for watching this video. If you made it this far into the video, I appreciate you, man. Make sure you hit that bell notification and leave a comment, man. Tell me something, brother. You know what I'm saying? That's what we're doing. You want to shout out one more time, brother?
Hey, y'all go check me out. Car Conversations on YouTube. ZHIYUN the Bum is my tag, is my name on YouTube. ZHENDABUM, but it's Car Conversations. Check me out on Instagram. Dat Godly Aura, DATGODLY_Aura, AURA. Y'all check me out. Appreciate you, Stone. Matter of fact, I'm sorry, Pablo.
Yes,
my bad.
Hey,
man.
we no government, so
No government. Hey, my boy.
Yes, sir.
I appreciate you, dog.
No problem,
Appreciate
brother.
you, bro. Hey, we gotta do this.